The
HyWEAR Compact SR is the short-range scanner from Feig HyWEAR's family of products. The device supports all common 1D and 2D barcodes. With its scanning range of up to 1 meter, it is primarily used for order-picking activities at workstations, being a real alternative to ring scanners and conventional readers. With both hands free to work, a component reel is coupled with a feeder. The feeder is clamped into the matching carriage, and the carriage is pushed into the pick-and-place machine. Each scan confirms whether the activities were correct or incorrect. Absolutely comparable in price as well, the HyWEAR is a real alternative to ring scanners. Installed on a cuff, it is much more comfortable to wear and offers considerably more freedom of movement. It can also be used on top of work gloves without any problems. Its high-performance replaceable battery easily powers the device for an entire work shift. Integration into existing systems via Bluetooth is also very simple. Highly visible LEDs, buzzer and vibration feedback ensure error-free operation. The HyWEAR Compact SR is the ideal solution for increasing the efficiency of many logistic processes.